So in today's culinary lab, I did a vegan gluten-free cake from scratch. And I did one of my favorite flavors, which is raspberry and white chocolate with cream cheese frosting. Some substitutes in this video, you'll notice I used applesauce instead of eggs, oat milk instead of dairy milk, gluten-free flour instead of regular all-purpose flour. I also found a plant-based cream cheese as well as a plant-based butter or vegan butter that worked very well for the frosting. The frosting does crust over time, and I had it refrigerated since it is mimicking a cream cheese icing. Another great substitution would be the white chocolate. Even in regular dark chocolate, I found a brand that is dairy-free, allergen-free, gluten-free, all of those things. So that's a good one to try, and I can put that in the link description as well. And here is our final product.